Hi everyone, it's Marcy and welcome to day 7 of 7 Days of Spring 2021, collaboration between Dearjuliejulie and Cara Brandon of Cara Brandon Creations. I will have their Etsy shops listed below where you can get these wonderful digital kits. I've got their Facebook groups listed below, and I've got a list of the other participants of this collaboration. When you're done here, please be sure to check out those videos. Everyone's doing wonderful and amazing things. So let's get started for day 7. This is the digital from Dearjuliejulie, and as you can see, we've got 2 large sales tickets that could be used as tags, whatever you want. And then we have this page from Cara Brandon, on which we've got some larger, they're about journaling card sizes. We've got 2 copyright ovals. We've got some labels. And then we've got some smaller images. This is a map, florals, and florals. So, for day 7, days 1 through 6, I did 2-page spreads. And I was able to do them on side-by-side pages. For this one, because I was going to have an odd number, because 7 is an odd number, but I wanted the same number of projects on each side of the one signature journal that I'm making. This one I did a little differently. So here we go. They're still side by side now, but I'll show you in a second. So I've got the tag from Dearjuliejulie along with the other tag from Dearjuliejulie. I backed it with some cardstock, sewed around the edges, and made 2 pockets, and I put it on a hinge so that it flips open like that. Okay? Then, in this one, I've got journaling card 1, and journaling card 2, and I think okay, I did. I had it flipped wrong. I should have had it open no, still have it wrong. Anyway, so when it goes in my journal, it will flip like this. So this will be on one side of the signature, then the center of the signature will be there, and then this will be on the other side of the signature. So, on this one, we've got the same thing. I sewed it down, put it on a hinge, sewed up the middle, and made 2 pockets. So here we've got journaling card 3. And here, as you'll recall, there were 3 larger journaling cards on Cara's. And so on this one, I used the smaller images. Oh, the map. Yeah, some of the map is on here, label, the copyright. So some of the stuff I ended up cutting up and using. But on this one, I used the 2 small floral images, and then I had my leftover stuff. Here I had a little bit of leftover flinch ticket. I had a leftover butterfly. I had this leftover thing from a previous day. I don't remember what day it was. And then I just put on one of the labels. I had a little bit of leftover lace, and so put that on there and just made it sort of a layered journaling card. So stitched around them all, inked around them, and it slides right in there. And this one is on the outside edge of a page, and this one is on the inside edge of the page. So where the signature will be tied right here. So that's there, and then when you flip it over, the signature will be here, and that will flip out that way. So that is day 7. This has been a wonderful challenge. As I said, please be sure to check out the other participants listed below. And in my next video, hopefully I will have a flip through of my completed journal where I will have some other stuff added in, and we'll see what we've got. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.